There are so many weird nooks and crannies in this kitchen, especially like there's like an underlight and then there's like, anyway, I never know how to do it. So I eat nachos a lot. That's not a question or a comment really. Like I share about nachos a lot. It's a staple of mine. I have like these multigrain, oh god, they're gonna come off the plate. You can see like the little seeds in it. So like multigrain, they're supposed to be healthier for you. They do taste healthier than like regular fried ones. But instead of like ground beef or just refried beans and that black beans, that kind of stuff, there's actually some healthier cut beef, like sirloin, and I cooked it with some onions here. So I'm gonna put that on here and just drizzle a tiny bit of Wendy's chili. Don't you guys laugh. There are beans and there's ground beef in there, but I'm just gonna do more of like the sauce and like some of the beans from it. The ground beef from it is not like the best quality. And I've realized lately when I've eaten ground beef, it's just kind of like settled wrong in my stomach. I don't know. But I went there because we don't have sour cream and I was really wanting to put it on top and I could get extra sour cream with it, so. But this is a great, so I'm gonna do that, and then we have this one salsa is pretty good from Costco. It's a Jack's Cantina salsa, but I like the Mateo one the best. It's in a smaller can. They have it at Costco and at Publix and all the other stores too. So Mateo is better. This one's a little bit more, cost effective. And then here's another secret. Besides just a few different kinds of cheese, there's a little platter here. You got cheddar, Havarti, Gouda. Besides just mixing a few different cheeses together, try like a different kind of sauce. This one is the Kinder's teriyaki. Oh my god, you can kind of see it. But the Kinder sauces are really good. There's a few different ones. I gotta try another one. This one's with sesame and ginger, but I love drizzling it on my nachos now. It just, I don't know, it gives it that extra sweet like oomph that it normally doesn't have. And my god, I would love some cilantro on top if I had it. But alas, I don't have it. So I've even put basil on top, which doesn't normally go together, but it tastes good when I do it. So I don't know, you guys let me know what kind of nacho combo are you rocking lately.